Hi, welcome back. On this episode, we're going to change the battery in our key fob for a 2019 Hyundai Santa Fe. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification button, and check me out on Instagram and on Facebook at Clara Garage. Alright, let's get started. Alright, so this is our key fob. It's completely dead. If your key fob does die on you, I also have a video on how to get into your car and how to start your car so you can drive it home and fix it. So don't forget to check that out. So first thing we're going to do to replace the battery in here, we're going to hit the silver button and we're going to pull that key out. The key comes out and we don't need this anymore, so we'll just set it off to the side. And then we're going to grab a screwdriver and we're going to carefully go in right here, and we're going to just kind of twist it a bit to open it up, just like so. So as you can see, that split a little bit, and then we're just going to go along the edge, and now we can open it right up. So this part's your electronic board. We don't need this right now, so we can put this off to the side. And then that battery will probably be in there where you can't get it with your fingers. Maybe if you have longer nails, you can. You might be able to smack it on your hand real hard, but the battery might go flying. So I just take a little small screwdriver and I just go in right here. I kind of put my finger to kind of catch it. And as you can see, with very little effort, that battery popped up and I can pull the battery out. Looking at the remote, I should be able to see where the battery goes. It shows plus, so that's where the plus of the battery will be. And if you look at the battery, when it was in there, there was no writing, and the side that was down had writing on it, and that's where the plus is, so that's the positive of this battery. So the positive goes down. And then looking at this battery, the important information that we need on it, it's a CR2023 3-volt battery. Not sure if you can see that or not. So when you're buying a replacement battery, that's what you need, is a CR2023. So I have a pack of 2023s here, and just holding the battery on it, you can tell it's physically the same. These are the same batteries as my welding helmet, so I have some kicking around, which works out perfect. So we take our new battery, and we take the bottom part of the remote, and we double check that number on here. And looking at that number, other than being an Energizer instead of Panasonic, we can see that number is CR2023, and that's the positive side with the writing on it, and it's a 3-volt battery. So now there's that little metal spring on here. I like to slide the battery from the top down into that spring, and then you should be able to push it in, just like so. So now that battery is all the way in, and now we're ready for the top part of our board. So looking at the board, the shape of them, if you wouldn't be able to put it on upside down because it would be a completely different shape. And you can also see, looking at it, there's a set of contacts here. So we know, looking at it, that those have to touch the battery. That's how it completes the circuit. And then the positive, it goes to that flat, shiny rectangle spot on the board. And that completes the circuit of the battery so your remote works. So now we carefully just go straight on, line it up. I like to start at the bottom and give a little squeeze. You can hear it kind of click in. And you squeeze it. Make sure you don't have any gaps along the whole remote. So the remote's together. And now we can take our key portion of it, shove it in. And now when we hit the unlock button, it unlocks. Lock button, it locks. I'm not going to hit the button for opening the tailgate. Might be too close to the garage door, but we know that's going to work too. So That's how you replace the battery on your key fob on a Hyundai Santa Fe. I don't know for sure, but I'd assume all the Hyundais in this generation will be the same key fob, so you should be able to use this video to replace your batteries on your Hyundais in this generation of vehicle with this style fob. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification button, and check me out on Instagram and Facebook at Clara Garage. Have a great night.